Eye4Task, users can have one of the following roles: administrator, operator, mentor. The administrator can create new users, new workspaces to manage users and activities, for example, by dividing operators by their geographic area or department, or by allowing operators to visualize only those activities they have been assigned to. The operator is the person operating on the field, such as a plant maintenance technician or engineer, or an insurance adjuster. Operators use the web platform to check their tasks, or to access it through a smartphone or smart glasses to effectively perform an activity, such as following work instruction procedures or requesting the assistance of the support room. The mentor takes the operator's calls and assists them using the tools available in the support room, for example, through annotations for augmented reality, text chats, or by sending multimedia files.